Greetings! Tired of dull PowerPoint slides? In this video, I'll show you how to add texture and style to your slide backgrounds to make your presentation stand out.
Right-click on your desired slide and choose Format Background. Alternatively, go to the Design tab and click Format Background. Under Fill, select Picture or Texture Fill.
Pick from the available preset textures.
A picture can also be used as a textured background. Transparency can be applied by moving the slider or by typing the value from 0 to 100. Adjust the offset and scale settings to control the texture repeat across the slide's background. Click Apply to All to apply your new background to every slide in the presentation. To revert your changes, click the Reset Background button.